Welcome to 1028 Riva Glen. This is the newest addition to the Sprattle Creek Estates, Vail's only gated exclusive community. The house you're sitting in is just over 8,200 square feet, 7-bedroom, 9-bathroom house. This house was designed by one of the highest end home builders in the area, so you have luxury finishes throughout, including high vaulted ceilings, white oak floors, an exceptional kitchen with marble countertops, Wolf Sub-Zero appliances, and a Lacanche range. You have 180-degree panoramic views of Vail Mountain from Golden Peak all the way off towards Holy Cross. And the house was designed entirely to capture these views and this daylight from all the primary spaces. The single-family home sits on a large 2-acre lot with exceptional outdoor living spaces, including a custom pool and hot tub, outdoor kitchen, and patio spaces off of all the primary rooms of the house. "1028 Riva Glen is an exceptionally rare offering because it's one of only 14 home sites in Sprattle Creek Estates, Vail's only exclusive gated community. Sprattle Creek combines the exclusivity and privacy of a mountaintop oasis perched above Vail Village with the convenience of having 24-hour on-site caretakers, shuttle service into Vail Village, and direct ski in, ski out access at Golden Peak via Passport Club membership.